In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your VALORANT Error Code 43. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your PC, restart your computer, and try launching VALORANT one more time, which should go ahead and fix temporary glitches. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and right-click on Riot Client or VALORANT shortcut and click on Run as Administrator and launch the game. If that is not working, simply go ahead and check if Vanguard service is running. Press Windows plus R and type services.msc, find VGC service and make sure that it is running and set to automatic. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and Control-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager and end Vanguard user mode service and launch VALORANT again. If that is not working, you want to simply go ahead and update your Windows, update your graphics drivers, or also disable overlays. If none of it works, simply go ahead and try uninstall and reinstalling the Riot Vanguard. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.